Come on, Jono. That's a better fish, I reckon, isn't it?
It seems better. Yeah.
Whoop.
There goes the other one. Better.
Yes, he is. He's the bigger the litter. Best of the bloody lot of them, Jono. Look at that. He's going home.
That's better.
Oh! Now you changed your bloody
Now,
mind,
what
didn't
did Paul Hogan say now? That's a fish.
Yeah.
That's about the ones I was telling you. That next size up. There it goes. There you go. It'll be a school from there.
I'll swap you. I got the
Oh,
lure.
you've got him. Got him. Yeah.
Put him in with those ones.
Oh, well, I forgot all about this
It's
action.
alright, I got him on film.
Oh, right. Let him go.
Yeah.
This one, Jono. Do you want him too?
What?
You want that one too? Bloody near double hook up there.
Yeah.
Triple. Tonsillectomy.
Yeah.
No good, that one.
What are you doing?
Back a long way.
Sometime today would be good.
Yeah. Oh, there's a fair bit of the day left yet.
Well, you got a left-handed one.
Yeah. It's all right. That made any difference. Oh,
Oh no.
What's on it again?
it's hooked on the line.